Welcome to ETSolution. In this video, we will learn how to install Arduino IDE. So for Arduino IDE, we can download the Arduino IDE from Arduino official website. So the link is also given in the description. Here I have the link. I just copy this link. This link is given in description. You can copy that link and paste in the browser. Arduino IDE is basically the free IDE. You can use it. You don't need any license or any permission. So after opening this link, you can see here Windows 7 and newer. It means it can work for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. All other Windows it can work. So click here Windows 7 and newer. Because I have Windows 10, so I need to click here Windows 7 and newer. This option. When you click this option, it will go to the next page and give you two options: contribute and download, and just download. For this time, if you don't want to contribute, you just can click just download. When you click just download, the downloading will start here. Now you can see downloading is already started, but I just already have the downloaded version just before I have. So I just can go to that file. Oh, I think this file is removed, so we can wait for this download. Or I have, if I have in the download, I can see this PC download. Okay, yes, I already have. After your downloading will finish, you will receive this file. Or we can wait for this. Just for your better understanding, it just need 1 minute more. The download is quick. You can like and subscribe my channel. Okay, we can go for already downloaded version. After downloading, you will receive this file. You just need to double click. Yes. You need to click I agree. I agree. Next. Here, if you want to change the different location. In my system, C, program, file 86 and Arduino. By default, it make this folder. If you want to keep the same, it's okay. If you want to change, then you can change. I just click on the install and installation is start. It will take just few minutes to finish the installation. Oh yeah, the new file is already downloaded. So these are the same files. Just need to wait for short time. It's near to finish. Okay, it's done. Here the option is close. I just click close. So I get here the Arduino IDE. You just click here. Okay, if you click here, you can find here different examples and different boards. Here I have UNO, FIO, and different board I have here. Which board you want to use, you can use that board. If you want to add other boards that are not included in default library, you can see in my channel. I have other video how to add the LGT board, and also how to add the Arduino simulation on the Proteus software. If you want to see that video, you can watch that video. So that's all done. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.